constitution, right? Was also the Commission of Peace and Reconciliation. But before the Commission, I got 17 down, I got 13 down. The act was only signed last month. And then according Zimbabwe has 10 provinces, right? Kuma provinces land I will tell you. Why this process is important and we're capturing all that is each and every province is unique. Ungahamba emotional and central land. Baza tell us something that is different. Uhambe medically what is conflict. Baza tell you ukuthi umnotho amadamo zasake sizuze to ask us. I understand I'm still unpacking.
The way forward, 1 million about swear address about Diamond. We don't care about Diamond. Whoa! As we don't get Diamond. Christian Konya Kuba. The pastor Kuruma